Hello everyone, my name is Vijeesh from Electrical and Electronics Department. Today we are going to discuss the computer numerical control, that is CNC machine. In CNC machine, the program is stored in the memory of the computer. The programmer can easily write the codes and edit the programs as per the requirements. These programs can be used for different parts and then don't have to be repeated again and again. Compared to the normal NC machine, the CNC machine offers greater additional flexibility and computational capability. New systems can be incorporated into the CNC controller simply by reprogramming the unit. The CNC machine comprises of the computer in which the program is fed for cutting of the metal of the job as per the requirements. All the cutting process that are to be carried out and all the final dimensions are fed into the computer via the program. The computer thus knows what exactly is to be done and carries out all the cutting processes. CNC machines work like the robot which has to be fed with the program and it follows all your instructions. Some of the common machine tools that can run on CNC are lathe, milling machine, drilling machine, etc. The main purpose of these machines is to remove some of the metals so as to give it proper shape such as round, rectangular, etc. In the traditional methods, these machines are operated by the operators who are experts in the operation of these machines. Most of the jobs need to be machined accurately and the operator should be expert enough to make the precision jobs. In the CNC machines, the role of the operators is minimized and the operator has to merely feed the program of instructions in the computer, load the required tools in the machine, and rest of the work is done by the computer automatically.